Hey y'all, so it is coming up St. Patrick's Day. So what we're gonna do here, we've got a collaboration going on, and the hashtag's gonna be down below and in the title too. So I've got corned beef, I got the point for this one, and you can see why I'm cooking inside on the Instant Pot today. What we're gonna do is soak that, make sure all the brine's rinsed out.
Hey y'all, so after we let the brine kind of drain out, it can go 8 to 24 hours. You kind of want to change about every 8 hours, just to make sure that brine from the pre-packaged corned beef is cleared out. We're gonna go ahead and trim it up a little bit and throw it in the Instant Pot. Stay tuned. All right, so what we're gonna do, there's a little bit of fat on here we want to trim off, not much. I'm gonna go ahead and trim off some of this. Some of the fat will leave, because it does give a good flavor. I'm gonna trim off some.
And the only thing we're looking to do here is any fat that feels hard, we want to trim that off. Any fat that feels soft, you kind of want to leave that on because you want it juicy. So that's how we're doing. We're going to go ahead and trim it up.
Okay, there's our corned beef cut down. You can take a look at this. I cut some of the hard fat off the corned beef. There's a fair amount. We're gonna go ahead and throw the corned beef into the Instant Pot. And then add about 4 cups of water. The pickling seasoning. So the original seasoning that came in the bag is right here. So we're gonna go ahead and add that. Add a little bit of garlic. 4 cups of water. And then set it.
So I took about 6 cloves of garlic, just from my head, and kind of split them up. Smash the skins off of them. We're gonna go ahead and add that now. And then the next thing we want to do is basically just seal it up. Tablespoon so that, give or take.
Next thing we're going to do is seal it up.
So I'm going to go ahead and put the top on. Set our pressure to manual. So it's high pressure for 70 minutes. And then after that we'll do a natural release. Which means as soon as it's done, you hit cancel and just wait for it to end. We'll meet you back then. And that's when we'll add our vegetables in. So there's our vegetables. What we got here is a 24-ounce bag of potatoes. I'm not going to use them all. I use about 5 pound baby potatoes, head of cabbage, and I'm going to end up using about 6. Doesn't look like it right now, but about 6 carrots. So you can add as many carrots as you want. Carrots are really good in this. And basically all you want to do is peel them up, chop off the ends, and kind of rough cut them into about 2-inch pieces, give or take. And we'll go ahead and add that later. And we'll get back to chopping up the rest of the vegetables. My cabbage, my cabbage. So I made a little bit of a huge mistake here. I was thinking about doing halves and decided instead to do quarters. So I cut out the core, and you just basically slice it diagonally. It's much easier to do if you actually quarter it first and then cut out the core. So you just kind of want to do a diagonal wedge and cut out the main core. As you can see on that back one, that's not something you want in your cabbage at all. So I'm gonna go ahead and slice this up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and slice them in half. It's far easier to do if you do quarters. So we have our bowl full of vegetables cut up. Those would be the next thing to go in. Just waiting for our corned beef to come up to pressure, and there it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and cancel this. We're just gonna let it wait and sit until pressure falls. In the meantime, I'm gonna make mustard, and I like mustard and horseradish with my corned beef. Tablespoon of each, your choice.
Wow, people, welcome back. So we did let it just kind of come to rest. The natural release. As you can see, this is flaking apart. Yeah, it looks phenomenal. And here's our corned beef. What we're gonna do is go ahead and put in. We're gonna take this out. Go ahead and set it aside for a while. Let it rest. Oh boy, that looks good. And I'll let this rest. And then we're gonna turn the Instant Pot back on and put the vegetables in. So we have enough water left over and all our spices. So we're picking the spices and everything else. We're having that in the cabinet, which has been quartered. And then bit by bit. And dump everything else in for the most part. This is a 6-quart Instant Pot, by the way. Go ahead and dump the rest of our vegetables straight on
that. This time we're going to do a manual release. The only thing we want to do, all the vegetables are in. We're going to go ahead and go get motion sickness yet. We're going to go ahead and bump it down to high pressure at 4 minutes. And then we're going to release the steam afterwards. So I'm going to make sure it's sealing right now.
I gotta get it fast. I stole a bite or two before the final taste test. It's really good. And then mustard horseradish with the extra horseradish. Perfect.
Boom, there are our vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and use this thing, and it's called a spider. If you don't have one, invest in it. They're super cheap. I'm gonna squirrel out a little bit of cabbage. Let's see if I can grab just one. Go ahead and grab a quarter of cabbage. Let it drain out a little bit. Add some more of the rest of the vegetables. Slice up our corned beef brisket. And set us up a plate. And it's as easy as that. Happy St. Patrick's Day. You remember there are two cuts. There's a point and a flat. Because they're beef brisket. Your point's going to be a lot fattier. And your flat's going to be more like sandwich meat. I've seen both at the grocery store. Give it a try. It's super easy. And super tender if you do it this way. Take care, y'all. Happy St. Patrick's Day.